Oh, my students, you have also joined me. So it's really an awesome moment for me that even in your summer breaks, we all are gathering, we all are interacting, and we are making fun. So I hope everybody will be so excited for your summer breaks, and you must be planning to go some hill station to visit some beaches. As you can see there, the waves of the sea water, they are so mesmerizing and they are so cool and calm, and it's really awesome. So you must be thinking about planning your holidays. You must be having some plans to go somewhere to your relatives, then to go some spots and to some tourist spots and some picnic spots. So you all must be planning something. So do you know what I have planned? I have planned something for you. Actually, students, the Cambridge International School, the SUA, has taken this initiative during the summer break. School is engaging everyone, every student in the summer break activities. So you must be thinking that sir is going to bring some fun activities. Definitely, I will bring some fun activities, but you know, the science is always chasing us everywhere. So what I have decided that I will share some of the scientific activities with my kids, where I'll be explaining you and you will be listening. And you know what is the interesting part? That you are also going to perform the same activities back home. And you know, you are going to create videos, you are going to create great innovations and the creativity in your videos. And do you know that today we are going to have fun? Only the three things. So summer breaks need fun, enjoy, and the happiness. So all these things, three things I have brought in my today's video. So I will be making fun. I will be making some science experiments that you can do back home. And do you know the maximum chemicals we are using? They are from our mother's kitchen. So students, our mothers are so genius. So they are having ample of knowledge about the chemicals, where to use, when to use. So we are going to learn that how we can use those chemicals in science experiments. So as it's quite hot and quite dry, so we all are drenched with the sunburns and the sweat. So to have some cooling sensation and to have some fun, I have brought some of the activities that are related to the ice and the water. And do you know, today I am going to teach you some art skills. Yes, so you must be thinking that our science teacher is going to teach some art skills. Yes, so be um, ready for this, because today I am going to teach you some science in the art. Along with this, I will be going to bring some underwater fireworks. So you must be excited to know that really, is it possible that underwater firecrackers could work? Yes, the science has made it possible. And do you know, today we are going to play with the colors. No, 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 it's not holy. It's not holy, but it's this holiday, the summer holidays. So that is why we are going to play with the colors also. Along with this, students, don't forget that science is playing an important role in our daily life. So science is everywhere. If you are eating, science is there. If you are cooking, science is there. And even you are drinking water, you are flying, you are running, science is everywhere. So today I have brought some activities related to the materials which will be available in our kitchens, and under your guidance and under your parents' supervision, you all can perform those activities back home. So let's begin with this. So I hope you will be ready. And a teaser for you, today we are going to do the painting on ice. Today we are going to see underwater firecrackers. We are going to have an ice garland just to get rid of this warmth. So such activities I have brought. So let's begin. So let's start the first activity. So let's start the first activity for the day, that is your ice painting. So today we are going to learn about that how we can do the ice painting with the beautiful different food colors. So let's begin. You must be thinking that science teacher is going to teach us art and craft. But students, actually I have brought some colors of the nature, then a chilling ice, then some common ingredients like a common salt. So here your science teacher is with the collection of different colors, and actually remember that they are the food colors. Along with that, the common salt which your mother must be using while cooking, and in a tray I have the ice. So what to do? First of all, we need to sprinkle the salt, and the salt has to be sprinkled evenly over the surface of ice. So not even a single part of the ice should be uncovered, and it has to be covered properly, and you should use the ample of the salt. Your mother must be thinking that you are wasting the resources, but we are going to have fun. So I am going to drop the different food colors over the ice, and you can see the colorful patterns. How beautiful flowers they are, isn't it? So you must try them back home, and you must please your brother sisters, your younger brothers, and then you can have a fun. So this will be enhancing your art skills as well as your scientific knowledge. So along with that, there will be a trivia time. So what is the fact that why this ice is not melting? Actually students, the common salt which I have added to the ice, it is actually decreasing the melting point of the ice. So see, your tutti frutti cake, your ice painting, and your creativity is in front of you, and you all can see how amazing it is. So even you can consider this the mouth-watering tutti frutti cake with chilling sensation. And I hope you all are going to try it back home. You are going to shoot a video, and you are going to frame such beautiful patterns with your creative skills. So this was your ice painting. You can teach this ice painting to your art teacher, along with the scientific knowledge that common salt is going to reduce the melting point of the ice. So that's it. Now let's move to the next activity. Students, this is the ice garland time. So we are going to do what? We are going to take ice in the tray and a dry piece of jute string. And I am going to place this jute string over the every piece of the ice. And then we will be doing what? We will be putting the pinch of salt on it. It's a little bit troubling, but it's fun giving also. And now I'm going to put pinch of salt on this ice, and then
we will be waiting for the icy garland, and let's see, is it ready with us? After some time it may join together and we will enjoy. So it's little bit taking some time. So the time which it's taking, in between that I am going to pour water in it. A water should be icy cold water. And students, the trivia time. You know, the salt which I have been added into it, it's going to work what? It's going to act as a stimulator, and it's going to act as one of the factor which is not allowing the ice to melt. It is not allowing the ice to melt, and it's reducing the melting point of the ice. So I need more innovations, I need more creativity from my students, and you all can do much better than that of me, that I know. So it's time to test our icy garland. So here the cubes of the ice, they are hanging from the jute string. So you can do the more innovation, you can make it more colorful by using the food colors, and you can enjoy the summer with such icy garlands. Students, so now next we have the activity in which we are going to learn about one more property of the water by using simple things: the hand wash, water, and a boat. So this I have made by the use of a waste cardboard, and I have applied sellotape on it, and there I have left a small space. So this has to be there, right? And then we are going to start the activity. So let's see what we are going to do. Now I'm going to drop this boat in the water. You must be seeing that it's not moving, but as soon as I'm going to drop this soap, so you must have noticed that it's running. So let's watch it again. So it might not cover enough distance because the soap has been already added to it. So it's not moving. Reason is, in the trivia time we are going to learn what? That why the boat was moving. The boat was moving because the soap is going to reduce the surface tension. That is the force acting between the molecules of the water. So let's move to the next activity.
So, my dear students, I hope you have enjoyed these three activities which I have performed back home. So, you can do what? You can bring some more innovations as you are so young and you all have, so bright innovations and creativity in your personality. So you all can do what? You can improvise that. And I hope you have liked the ice painting, ice garland, and the bubbling boat. So now we are going to learn about the underwater crackers. So this is one of my favorite. So let's see and let's observe that how these underwater crackers and how these underwater fireworks are going to be there with us. So simple ingredients and just the supervision of your parents is required. That's it. So now let's watch and let's learn.
Yes, students, so now again we are going to play with the colors of the nature. So I have taken the different food colors which were available back home. In the one of the jar, I have taken the vegetable oil. You can take any of the oil. And there is one more glass which you must be looking. And in this glass, I am going to put water. Now, what we are going to learn in this activity, we are going to learn about one fact of the diffusion of the particles from their higher concentration to their lower concentration. Now, how to learn that? Along with this, we are going to learn more about the hydrophilic nature and the hydrophobic nature. As the oil, vegetable oils, they are hydrophobic, which means they are not water loving. And we are going to learn that how the colors are going to diffuse from their higher concentration to the lower concentration. Now let's move. Now I'm going to drop the one drop of the color into the oil. So as you can see, I am dropping the colors in it. So you can choose any of the color of your choice. I have taken these colors. Then after that, I'm going to put the last color in it. So now as you all can see, the colors as they were dissolved inside the water, so they were not mixing. Now I have taken one ice cream stick and I am going to stir it, and on stirring you can see they are little bit mixing together, or we can say they are making some small droplets in that. I hope everybody is able to see. Now it's a time to see the fireworks. So how these fireworks will work. So I'm going to show you this thing. So in the another beaker, as there was water in it, so I'm going to put this oil inside the water, but we need to ensure that we are going to pour the oil along with the walls of the another beaker. So that it should float. Now after some time, your underwater fireworks will be ready. So see the colors diffusing. It's really so beautiful and so mesmerizing to see these beautiful colors and how they are diffusing in the water. And look at the streaks which are moving downwards. This is really an amazing experience to see such a colorful experiment. I hope and you will like, and you all are going to perform back home, and you are going to please your summer break with such scientific experiments. Now students, it's a trivia time. It's a trivia time. Now what has happened over here? In this, you must have seen the water was diffusing from the higher concentration to the lower concentration, right? So this is the diffusion process. The same diffusion can be seen in the lungs of human body. The same diffusion can be seen when we are using any perfume and we are going somewhere. So everybody will be able to find that who is having the perfume. So you must be troubled in your life by your teachers in the school. So memorize that funny memories and try to perform this activity back home, And that's it. Now let's move to the next activity. Yes, students. So now again we are here in the next experiment, new learning, and in this activity again we need some materials from our mother's kitchen. So I have taken the turmeric, which is a natural indicator. Then I have taken the vinegar, which is an acidic substance and commonly also called as the acetic acid, and the detergent powder. And now we are going to test that how this turmeric is going to act as the natural indicator. So I hope you all know that indicator is what? Which is going to change its color with an acidic substance and in a basic substance. So let's firstly dissolve turmeric in the glass of water. So as you know, the water is neutral, so its color will be yellow, right? And now if I'm going to add detergent powder into it, and if I'm going to dissolve it, so what will be its color? So you must see the change in the color. What is the color? The color has been changed to red. So which is showing that turmeric has changed its color with an acidic solution, that is from yellow to the red. But now here we are going to retrieve the yellow color back. So how we can remove this substance, basic substance from the turmeric solution? So this can be removed by putting any acidic substance. So here I'm going to put the acetic acid in the given solution. So you must observe the color of the solution would changes to yellow again. So what is the color? The color of the solution is yellow again. So this was the activity with a mother's kitchen products. So thank you, and I hope you are going to enjoy. And moreover, students, you can give the greetings to your mother by making a turmeric paper card. You know how to do this. It's so simple. Firstly, make a paste of turmeric, apply it on the white paper, let it be drying, and then take a brush, make a paste of this washing powder, and write something over the paper, and there will be a complete contrast between yellow and the red. So I hope you all are going to try it back home. Thank you, and let's wait for the next activity.
So, my dear students, so you must have enjoyed the sciences and the learning of sciences with the fun and with some cool activities. And I hope you all are going to try back home, and you are going to teach your siblings also that how science can play an important role in our daily life. So it's not only about one video. Your sir is going to meet you tomorrow again, and we will be again playing with the science and with some other simple products that are with us in the home, and we will again have a fun with such science experiments. So till that, goodbye, take care, and don't forget to enjoy your summer breaks. So goodbye, take care, and stay home, stay safe.